Hi, welcome to another video, and today I'll be showing you the transform tool. You've seen the other one, how we made the rocket, and it looks kind of bad, so nothing fits. So what you want to do is Command T on Mac, Control T on Windows. You have to select the layer, and then right here you could scale it down to like any size you want. It may look a bit weird in the process of scaling. You just click the move tool after, then you click apply and it looks better. So then afterwards you could also fix the shirts. Oof, that's not intended. You just want to scale it. That. If you want to change these size too. That. That. And you click apply. That is how you use the scaling tool. Anyway, you'd like, you could also do the design as what I did for the text on these. Anything you like. And so, thank you for watching. Have a good day.